Good morning, everyone. I'm with Abby again, and we are actually at Typhoon Lagoon. So that's gonna be really exciting. Oh, sorry, I just totally ran into. We have a fun day planned of relaxation, so that's good.
For a couple hours.
Just a couple hours, because then we both I have to go to work. You don't have to go to work.
No.
We're going to Universal, so that's fun.
I know. Okay, hey guys, we switched to the GoPro again with Abby. I'm just gonna go in the wave pool right now. These waves are huge. Honestly, it's such a nice day out and the water feels so good. I think so too, but like we're gonna try not to get my hair wet because I just washed it last night and I don't really want to wash it again. You know? Wow, so I stopped recording. Back there, the waves are humongous. And I thought I was going to knock it over, basically. So we're just relaxing, tanning. I'm hoping to even out my tan because my arms and my legs are really tan, but my stomach and my chest and my back are very pale. And it's just always been like that for like 3 years because of camp as well. So maybe this is my time to even it out.
Please do not. Oh, please hold silence.
Yes, waves are bad. What is that whistle? Going on. There was like a whistle and then a siren and I don't know. I just want the wave to go. Oh. I don't know. It's already been a minute and 12 seconds and I just want the wave to come to get that footage. Yeah.
Sun, summer.
Yeah. Like you don't really have that much experience in the heat, do you? Nope. Nope. I always like to imagine what would happen when summer does come. Be the bus. It's just like, okay, what are you doing whatever snow does in summer? A drink in my hand, my snow up against the burning sand, probably getting tan in summer. Oh, gosh, so tiny. Spots. We're now by the rocks now to see if we can get like, oh my god, there's a spider on me. There's a baby spider on me. No, thank you. Anyways, to finish that sentence, we have moved to the rack to see if we can get tan on our stomachs. We think it's gonna happen because it's all the waves are dead. There we go.
Wait, like in the Hunger Games.
The what?
The 12 o'clock wave and the catching fire. You know
Oh yeah! I haven't seen that or read it in a while.
It happens at midnight until.
Wasn't it like a tsunami though that happened?
They just called it a wave. It like.
But it was like a ginormous wave.
Yeah, like you would drown.
Well, that's the plan in the Hunger Games.
The biggest Hunger Games fan in the entire universe.
8th grade, I was the biggest Hunger Games fan in the world.
I read the first book in 6th grade, and I've read it 21 times since then.
Girl.
I just keep it in my car at all times.
You're just like, okay, we have a minute. I'll read a little bit. I'll read a chapter.
I could literally tell you the entire story.
Yeah.
I don't like the 3rd book though. No
I don't
offense.
either.
No offense. For anyone who loves the 3rd book, I just don't.
Okay,
No
wave.
That's such a sweet.
Storm call? There we go. That is absolutely humongous. Humongous.
We're about to get drenched.
I'm gonna stand up for a second.
No, we're good.
Are we? No, we're not. My hair got wet. I was like, we're definitely gonna be fine. So much for not washing my hair tonight. My hair is all soaked. Great. I'm moving. That was so bad. Oh my gosh. What happened? I know. So far up. Oh gosh. We're making an executive decision to go away from that area. We have made our way to the lazy river. I'm trying to tan.
Abby's just, you know, hanging around. Swimming around, hanging around.
I'll try to tan and
I need to even out. That's really it.
you what?
I need to even out.
Oh, I thought you said I need to eat right now.
I mean, that too.
I
I need to eat right now. Not really, but, you know.
Alright guys, what's up? Sorry, I have not really been updating you since Typhoon Lagoon. Basically, I just came back, made my lunch, relaxed, put makeup on, and now I'm ready for work. Work starts in about 15 minutes. So I have to start walking over in now. So I'll see you guys after work. After work, I'm going to go to the mailbox because I think Allie sent me the letter, and then tonight I'm going to edit and write letters to all my friends and family, especially my grandma, because her birthday's in like a week. So I have to send that out so she gets it by her birthday or a little bit after. Alright, I'm walking to the mailbox now to get mail because I'm expecting a letter from Allie. I've just been really lazy and I have not gone to the mailbox, sorry Allie, to look at the mail. Too many notifications. But yeah. So I got another letter from my big, and getting letters from Charlie and Bambi and soon gonna be Allie. They make me cry because they make me miss them so much, and I just want them to come visit. I just want to see them, and I just miss them so much, and I miss school because I got to see them every day. And two of my best friends are seniors. Well, Allie's a senior too, but she's gonna stay another year. But two of them are seniors and they're leaving, and I'm just like, ugh, I won't see you every day. Now I get it right back. Yay, I'm excited. Alright, before I sign off for the night, I just want to say, Ashley and Emily, thank you guys so much for coming and visiting me at the store. Like, you have no idea how much that means to me. Like, what you said about like how Chase is like my inspiration for vlogging and everything, and like Emily and all that, like, and I'm yours, like that literally made my heart melt, because that's such kind words, and I've never like heard that before, and like that you just enjoy my videos, and like, you know, like DCP has always been on your radar, you know, but like maybe I helped influence it being on your radar more. I don't know, it's just like that is crazy to me, and I don't take it lightly. Like, that like means the absolute world to me. Thank you guys so much for being so sweet. Like, you are so incredibly sweet, and like you asked for a picture. No one has ever asked me for a picture before. Like, thank you so much. Like, you guys were amazing. I can't get over it. Like, I literally like got emotional on the way home. I'm emotional again, but you got me emotional on the way home just thinking about our interaction and, you know, us talking, and thank you so much. I'm sorry, words cannot like describe how much love I'm feeling right now in this moment. But yeah, all right, thank you so much. I am now going to end the vlog here. I hope that you guys all enjoyed it. I know it was probably not it's exciting to go somewhere new and go to the water park, but like, we just had a relaxing day at the water park. But yeah, like, today has been such a great day for me, and I'm so grateful for every day that I spend here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next daily vlog. Bye!